Students, how are you? Hope so that you all are doing very well. And almost 4 to 5 poem students we have completed. In the previous video I have informed you that we are going to have our first chapter now. I hope so. If you could have book, so you must have arranged. If you did not, so ebook I have sent you, whosoever have requested me. So I hope so you must have noted down your 2 paragraphs which we will try to finish today. So students, let's take first the theme of the chapter, the first chapter of this class 9th from the Beehive book, and the name of the chapter is The Fun They Had, and it is written by Isaac Asimov. Students, it's very surprisingly whenever I teach this chapter in class, so I tell the students to assume, to imagine, but in this lockdown situation, you people don't need to assume. We are living in the same way, the way the chapter has told us. You know what, this chapter, let's have a summary, a quick summary of the chapter, students. Through this chapter, Isaac has tried to tell us that how the schools will run when we will reach in 2050 plus years. Like at present we are in 2020, so when more 30 years or more than 30 years when we will move on, that time when we will not have the classes which we have, the regular classes, those classes if we will not have, so what kind of schools we would be having, students? That has been discussed through this chapter. So the title of the chapter is The Fun They Had. The fun here means the kind of interest or the kind of enjoy. They here stands for the people, those who attended school physically. They went school, they played with the students, they had lunch together, they had classes together, they have teachers in front of them to teach them in the same classroom, and they were also in the same room only. So they means their forefathers or fathers had, because the 2 people are there, Margie and Tommy. 2 people are there, and both the people have discussing, though the people are discussing with each other that how were the days when people have schools, because both of them are studying online only. Because maybe in future we are going to have, even now also you people must be having that we are not coming in the class and teaching you, you people are not coming to school, we are teaching you with online. You're sitting at your home at a place where you can use your phone or your system or whatsoever, where you would able to hear us without any disturbance. You could have your pen, pencil to note down your homework, classwork, whatsoever we were giving you. Everything you are sending us online, even your literary activity also you sent us to online. So these are the things are there in the chapter, that how the world will be, or how the classes will be when school buildings will be closed. There will be only online classes, online teachers will come, online homework will be given to you according to the timetable as nowadays you people are running in the same manner. So those moment 30 years after, means where we are having at present, after 30 years, what will be the system of school teaching? So if the system of school teaching will become online, then there will be no need of hard copy. The kind of ebook I have sent you, in the same manner students must be having ebook, electronic books in their laptops, in their system or whatsoever, and they will study from that ebook only, and they will be getting their online teacher according to the timetable, and they will be having a proper room to study in that. That room will be considered as classroom, and everybody will have their classroom in their house only, where they will go at the time of their classes, and they will sit with their system, and they will listen subject wise their teachers, and those teachers will help them to finish their syllabus as we are helping you, and they will give homework as we are giving you, and they will take test as we will take your periodical first assessment online test. So that kind of system is there in this book, where Margie and Tommy, 2 students are there. They are studying in these kinds of school classroom, online classroom, which they have set up in their house only. And for them, books The hard books which we people are having, like the hard book means this book we people are having, and the book which you people were having from their up to class 8th. So these kinds of books will become outdated. Outdated means the generation of 2050 or 50 plus maybe will not be able to see or to understand or to imagine, like as we were imagining many things. Like children, did you remember as we were imagining that at that time when forefathers time, when we were having our forefathers, not even fathers, even forefathers, they used to go to study to Gurukul after leaving their household forever, for at least for a part of time, from their childhood time till their young age. So they used to stay there only in the presence of their guru and guruma, and they used to spend their time there only in study, in asking for the food outside, and like so. So what do we feel after having a look on that system? Good, bad, or what? Because nowadays, before this lockdown, we had the school, we were going in the morning and we were returning at the end of the day. That was the school, but at night we are staying in our home only. But Gurukul time, when it was the time of the Gurukul situation, so we were had that kind of schools. So of that kind school, we were only imagining that this way also the school would have. In the same manner, the generation which we will find in 2050, they will imagine our kind of school, that people were there, like our fathers or forefathers, grandfathers were there. They used to go to school in a proper building where they would have these kinds of hard books to study, like these only. So these are the things are there in the chapter they were discussing. And Tommy found a book, like, because they all have the e-books. The students of 2050 plus ages, they would be having these. They would not be having these kinds of paper book. They would be having e-books, electronic books, which is available, and more than that, and they were studying from their book only. And one day by chance they found this hard book, this hard copy they found there, and this made them surprised that books also exist. Once there was a time when people were studying with book also. So that made Margie surprised. So the chapter is all about that. They were just imagining how the people would be having fun when they were going together in a building and studying together, and teachers were coming and teaching them and enjoying together, and like so and so and so on. So students, this is basically the theme of the story summary of the chapter actually. And through this summary we will go through. I hope you would have understand. That is imagining. We are imagining what will be the way of teaching, or the teaching system will be in 2050 plus years old. Clear? So as the time has spent of today's session in the reading only, in making you understand the summary only, but I'll start the one paragraph at least. Second we can continue tomorrow. So let's start the first paragraph. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. I hope so you must be ready with your pen paper and your writing down. If book you have, so well and good. If you don't have the book, I told you to note down. So be ready with that with your pen. Margie even wrote about, Margie is one character I told you. A girl is there. And she wrote about it. It means about book. Book which another boy who is a character in the story has found. So Margie wrote about it that night in her diary. And what was the date? On the page headed 17th May 2157. 2157. It means 22nd century. It's not even 2000 century. It is 2000, like 130 years forward. Means when we will cross the century also, when we will move on to another century, at that time hardly we will be having schools or books like so only. We would be having only e-books. So that will be there. So this is the chapter, is the imagination of that far future time. She wrote, and she has written, today Tommy found a real book. Real book means, children, this is a real book. And e-book is which I am also sending you. So today Tommy found, somehow his friend, one of his friend, found a book that is called a real book. Real book means the book with paper book. Fine. It was a very old book, because at present 20th century is going on, and the chapter is imagining about 21st century, second half of 21st century it is imagining about. So it is more than that. So it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Now Margie's grandfather has told her that there was a time we were going to school and all the details, all the chapters, the stories were written in this paper. Like for us this paper is okay because we are habitual with this, but like I told you about Gurukul, at that time people were writing on the leaves also, dry leaves also people were writing, or on the stone also they were writing. So for us that was a very surprising thing. In the same manner, people who will come after us, the next generation, after 1.5 years, 130 years after back, when the generation will come to us, so they will also imagine this book which we are habitual nowadays. Okay, so it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, means when Margie's grandfather was a young boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly with a lot of folds over there, and it was awfully funny. Awfully funny means happily funny, not sad funny, like that, to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to be. Means when we read something on screen of the system, so those lines are moving, or with the help of the mouse or the cursor we were moving the lines, but they stand for the people at the time of his grandfather, when they would be having the real book. So they used to turn the pages with which were yellow and crinkly means folded papers, and it was awfully funny to read words, and the reads were there only. The reads were, until we turn the pages, words were not running, but on the screen of the system the words are running. Turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words and stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to be. They here stands for the children of her age, Margie's age. Pictures were running on the words were running on the way. Fine. On a screen, you know means we people know, or the people belonging to the Margie's age they would be habitual of the running words on the screen. But here she is talking about what her grandfather has told her, that a real book, a still picture, still means stopped words are there, and the way they used to read. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had same words on it that it had when they read it the first time, or 100 times if you will turn the same page, they will found the same words there only. There will no change in the words here and there. It means paper can be moved here and there, but the words will remain same there only. So students, go through with the lines. First para we have completed. The time is also telling us the limit of that, crossing the limit. Queries if you have regarding any words or anything else, just note down, write on the comments on that. And regarding the syllabus, I'll let you know soon what syllabus is there of your PA. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.